Hello, you peeps. How are you doing today? Today I'm going to show you Skymu, a program that is reviving the entire application of Skype. If you remember Skype, like the very time you probably heard of it, it was basically the instant messenger and calling service for the 2010s until Skype got killed in 2025, which is a sad thing. But this this thing, Skymu, is officially making it come back in 2026. It's a revival, but it's not like a revival. Like Discord, and Crosstalk. They're based on their servers, while Skymu is based on Discord and other services as Matrix, Speaker, and other ones. Um, Matrix being that you have to host your own Matrix server, which is a kind of a impossible thing for me. So I'm going to show you off on it on the Discord login service right over here. So if you go to this window, as you can see, here's my chat. Yes, so just don't mind this. This was my old account. I was just messing around. But here, as you can see, this is Skype right here. This is based off the Skype 5 UI, which is from probably like 2012. Yes, so here is the UI. If you close this off, you can see it goes to Skype home. This is not actually the default home. You can actually change this, but I set it to the Skype homepage. Just because I liked it, Yeah. So one of the things that has evolved about the service is that there is no colon yet. Um, this is mostly because it hasn't been implemented. Like, it's still being figured out at all. Like, genuinely, it's still being figured out how to work. So there's no colon, unfortunately. This means you can actually call it like which call this. There's no also adding context to conversations or adding friends to conversations if you're actually like a Discord user. Um, and yeah, pretty much. This right here is the status right here. As you can see, most of this is functional. It only works for one service right now, so but it will work for other services, but that hasn't been performed, so I'm just making that up. But it might work for that. As you can see, I can send this away. I can send this to not store. I can go flying, which is currently crossed off. Started phoning hasn't been set up yet. Um, most of the things right here is completely not functional. As you can see, if I press anything right here, but except sign out, which is gonna sign me out, which user doesn't work, closes the application. New contact, this is just for looks, delete, doesn't work. Um, change language, ask accept, the share Skype with friend, these are just for looks. But except options. Options let you customize Skymu fully to your expectations. You can send the base theme, which basically changes the buttons as you can see, and scroll. I can't just show this off, but there's meant to be a lot of messages here, so I'm just gonna say, bitch, respond to my messages, or I'll kill you. Wow, you boy, hamburger. Teach you. And as you can see, there's the scroll bar. It works like that. You can see if I change this to all of it changes. Server, Windows XP Media Center. It looks a bit like Windows 7. Windows Vista. You can see this font. This looks like it, but I'm going to Windows 8 because I am running on Windows 10 right now. But this is basically what looks normal to me. Bullet point for Markdown list. It's supposed to be a pointer right here, but I replaced it with a dot because I don't like the pointer symbol a lot. All login is very useful. If you remember, there was a check on Skype that lets you automatically log in without typing your password there in email again. Um, this is the same thing, but you have to use Discord token to login. Emoji animation speed. Change the emoji animation speed, as you can see with this, and it works probably. It even detects the Discord emojis instead of the Skype ones. Excuse me. Display a notification when you receive a message. It shows up here when you receive a message from somebody. It will show up in the Skype style. First notifications to be always orange accurate. This is basically meaning that originally this notification was actually blue. There's a bug that causes this to be always unchecked if you even try to save it. Use Skype with false. Useful from users from visual models, and basically If you think that the colors are ugly right here, you can set this on, and then it will automatically fix it. And we'll scroll on the Skype home website, basically in the start Skype when computer starts. Basically, if you want to auto boot Skymu when your computer starts, like when you start it up, it will do that. You can change the language here. It works as you can expect. I'm not going to check all the languages. Main window frame. If you're confused what this means, I'm going to show you off what it does. So I'm gonna save and restart, and as you can see, here's the login, and you start seeing something. As you can see, my window frame has completely changed, and look at this. The fonts are Windows 7. This is because Skype used their own custom window frame. This is supposed to be Arrow, but it unfortunately doesn't work. But if you want to use the Skype thing, you can change it to basic. Yes, there's also some, and bam, much better looking. But I mostly go with the main system window frame because it works well for me. Oh yeah, this sometimes happens. Yeah, it usually takes a long time sometimes. As you can see, we're loading again. The people online is actually accurate, by the way. Just so you know, they're actual people using Skymu. I'm probably the second person online. There's one Skymu as well online with me. Just kind of a bit sad, like this app is kind of lonely, but I've invited a couple of my friends to this, and it works properly. It's just good. So yeah, that's mostly Skymu. If you want to see the about Skype right here, I'm using this is build version 0.1.14 with their own Oreo waffle cake. Yeah, and this is their custom logo, as you can see. Pretty accurate, I would say, and the slogan is taken on a brand based off Skype order slogan. As you can see, it works like these buttons are just for show, conforms, doesn't work. So yes, this is Cameron right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this would be interesting to use for you because it's pretty cool, I would say. So yeah, this is the video. Keep in mind that I'll be updating the logs with some new stuff that I haven't added in new versions. So keep an eye out for that. So don't miss out for these videos. And I'll see you in the next Skymu update log.